Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a pop-up happy birthday banner card. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are scissors, yarn, glue, different colored cardstock, and an optional marker. First, you're going to fold your piece of cardstock in half, the one that you want to use as your base. I'm just using white, so then all my colors will really pop. Next, you're going to cut out a bunch of balloon shapes, and then you're going to glue them to your card, and make sure you glue them at the top. Now you're going to take your yarn or a marker or Sharpie. And this is why I said the Sharpie is optional, because you can use yarn for the string on the balloon or Sharpie. I'm just using Sharpie, so it's a lot easier and quicker, but yarn does give a cool 3D effect. So whatever you want to do. Then what you're going to do is take your yarn and make sure it fits across your card, and then take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and cut triangle shapes out. And this will create a diamond shape, but what we're going to do is fold it over the string, so it will end up being a triangle shape. So you're going to put a little bit of glue on the ends. Make sure you know where you want to put them, which is what I'm doing right now, because you don't want to put them in the wrong spot to make them uneven, things like that. So after you know where you want to put them, just glue them down. Then what you're going to do is, after you've glued them all down, you're going to write on the first one, happy. So each one you can write happy. And I used a thin Sharpie, but then I decided to use a thick one so the words really pop. And then I suggest writing it on both sides, just like this. And make sure it has 5 flags at the beginning, so then you can write the exact amount of letters. And then you're going to do the same thing with birthday. And then there you go. all you have to do is fold your card together and then open it back up, and it'll be a super cute happy birthday banner pop-up card. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!